Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can charge sales tax on your store on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now to charge sales tax, you're going to need to add tax rules for each region you're selling in, and all of those regions have differing rules. The only similarities I found is, for example, EU countries do share some certain tax rules, as well as North American countries, that them being Canada and the US, which share their pretty much tax rules, which you can edit very similarly. However, they do have differing codes and differing IDs that you need. Now, to set up your sales tax, you just need to go into settings and then go into taxes and duties. And here you can find all the regions that are eligible for collecting tax from. Now, as you can see, I have check marks next to some of these regions, meaning that the tax rules for them are set. But let's go, for example, into Hong Kong because I don't have any tax rules for that. And now I can go ahead and set up the tax rules for this. Now, as you can see, you can set up the total tax. I'll set it to 10%, and you have the option to add any regional uh, taxes to the separate regions, or you can just add the total. Now, anything you add here, you can use added to 10% federal tax. As you can see here, you can add it instead of 10% federal tax. This will pretty much just change what you need to write here. So, for example, if you want to charge 15% tax in Hong Kong Island, you're going to need to add added to 10% federal tax and put in 5%. Or if you want, you can click instead and just add the 15 there, or you can compound on top of 10% federal tax. So that's going to be, I don't know, 10%, or if I got my math right, might not be exactly correct, but it is what it is. So you can choose which rules you want, add the taxes that you need, and then you can add it pretty much very simply. Just click save at the top, and now you can charge sales tax. As a bonus, if you scroll down, you can include the sales tax in the product price and shipping rate, which I'm going to just turn on. It's on automatically when you create your store, but you can disable it if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.